Hello, we will explore the Classter mobile app from a teacher's perspective. Let's get started. After logging in, you'll first see the dashboard of the app. At the top of the homepage, you can see an emergency school announcement that the school is closed due to extreme heat weather. If you click right here, you can open the announcement and read everything the school have wrote inside. Further down, you can see the My Plan, where if selected, you can view your calendar daily, weekly or monthly. Let's check it out. So we can see weekly, the calendar. Right here, you can see all the classes. If you click on a class, you can see more details like the subject, the group, the start and end date, the start and end time. In the Adjustment to Do's tab right next to My Plan, you can see all the classes you have for today, or you can choose another date by changing it at the top. From here, you can see for the day before or for the day after. You can see all the classes and the room and time. At the bottom of the screen, next to the home icon, you'll see an icon that looks like a book. If you tap it, you'll be able to take attendance of your classes. Here, from the subject attendance, you can see Take Attendance at the top. By clicking on the filter, you can select the date and the subject. Here, for example, we can select for today. We can see that there is no session for today, so let's change the date. After clicking search, the selected class will appear, and by clicking on it, for example here, Introduction to Business, you'll open the roster with the students enrolled in the particular class. Depending on whether the student is present, absent or late, you can make the appropriate selection. Here, for example, we can see that there is a P, an A and an L. P is for present, A is for absent and L is for late. For example, here let's put an absence to Alison. We can just select the A. Let's put a late to Drake, and everyone else is present. Then you just click on the Submit Attendance, yes, and that's all. So fast and easy. From the classwork homework section, exactly down from the subject attendance, you can assign tasks to any class you want by selecting the group, subject and the duration of the assignment using the filters. From here, you can select the group, you can select the subject and the date, and that's all. You can select if you want an assignment or a project, you can select the date you want, and that's it. Using the plus in the middle, right on the bottom, you can send messages to Classter users such as parents or students or even the school. To the right of the plus, you can view your internal messages organized into categories like inbox and sent. Here, you can see that we are in the inbox category. You can see the send category too. And from here, again, you can send your message. Finally, On the far right, you can respond to forms sent by the school, such as one regarding your data for the students. Right here, we can see you can select yes or no if you consent or not, and you can put your signature here too. You click on save and it's ready. From the menu on the left, you can view announcements. Right here, you can see that they are categorized into unread and read. Here we can see some unread announcements from our teacher. For example, here we have the football match. If you click on view details, we can see whole announcement. You can do the same thing at the read announcements. Okay, World Creativity and Innovation Day, for example. You can read the announcement, you can download the file, you can open links. Below to the announcement button, you'll find the timetable, the subject attendance, and classwork homework options, which we mentioned earlier, providing you with an alternative way to access them. Let's take a quick look. Here's the timetable. You can see all your classes for Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the time, the place, the subject attendance, like before. The classwork homework. By clicking on My Profile, you can view your personal information, security details, and contact information that you have provided. Here, you can make changes if you want. Of course, from settings you can change some things. You can put a biometric and screen lock if you want. So that's all for now. Thank you. Bye bye.